How to log in, sign in Amazon Prime in laptop. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video we will guide you through on how we can log in or sign in into Amazon Prime in your laptop. So let's just get started with the process on how we can do that. First of all, head over and open up a browser in your device, any of the browser that you find convenient, and search for Amazon Prime there. After that, you can click on the very first link, the official one, the Prime Video one. Just go ahead and click on it and you will be taken to the Amazon Prime Video section, the dashboard. So here, in order to sign in or log in, you can easily find this sign in option here, or you can go ahead and click on this option and click on sign in at the top right corner. Just go ahead and tap on it and you will be taken to this page. So here, in order to sign in, you just need to enter your email or your phone number and then continue with the process. After that, enter your password and any kind of verification process like entering 6-digit code if you have any verification process on, and you will be easily logged in into your Amazon Prime Video through your laptop and you can stream your favorite shows. So that is how you can log in into your Amazon Prime, which is super easy. So I hope this video was helpful to you and thank you for watching this video.